innocent. Said I feel like crying. Said I feel like dying. Since you left me and gone. And my heart got blessed. Tell you please come back home. Yeah, massive. We there. Big up and respect. No joke. First thing, make we take a look at chat over the marina here before we even start good. At them way the man. Yeah. Yeah. Manners. So the marina the round here, so. Yeah. Alright, so with their Portland. Big up and respect to everybody who just joined in the video, you know what I mean? Oh my word, I just wanted to show you a little bit of this. You know what I mean? How beautiful Portland life is. How beautiful nature is on a whole, you know what I mean? This look like it just start building thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, so in this video, you know what I mean, it's a full exclusive tour of Port Antonio town, you know what I mean? Everybody call it Portland town, is it? No joke, no doubt. And this is nature, this is real life Jamaica, raw Jamaican footage and things to make you see life is life what it is in our time. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. As you can see our center camera, there's an island over there. I'm not sure what them name this island. We're not as far as down Monkey Island side, so I'm not sure which one of the island this is, but clearly look like people live over there because you can see based on the vegetation and farming and things are going over there, so people live over there. You see me I say? Yeah. So we're going to take a look at walk out on the dock here, so same speed, but I don't know for the intro. I just want to say, you know, I did a tour of Portland a few years ago, maybe like 3 to 4 years ago, and I've been getting a lot of requests from persons to do another tour of Port Antonio, so I decided to say, alright then, may I have to go do it, you see. So big up to everybody who actually support Jamaica Walk By. I want to say mad love, mad respect, you know what I mean? God is good all the time and thing, you see. Some youth out there saw fish, you see me? But I must say, I don't know, something is definitely going on down in a Portland. I mean, I don't know, because I've been seeing a lot of homeless persons on the street. Like everywhere I walk, somebody there asking me for stuff, and I see people lying down on the street all about the place. And I don't think it was like that. Many persons in the comment section probably can update me to what, but this is the first that I've found so far and see a lot of persons like, you know, I don't think homeless is the word more I use, because they probably have homes and stuff, but them just mentally ill. Big up youth. Respect Jamaica Walk By. You see me I say? Just a pass through the town like a me yard, you see? Yeah, one of the fish. What kind of fish do normally we catch us? You think it's deeper than this, but you actually shallow, man. What are not going too good, man? How long now out here? One fish in a bucket, you know? Who catch him? Who's so lucky? Ayo. Alright, the fish like your attitude. I want to use as bait. Oh, fish gut. Yeah, my teacher, you go and do it. I'm a chemist. Yo, this 30. Then wait, a float. Oh, some drum underneath it. Clothes and skirt. So, them drum underneath it, what them do? Then lock them and put them down? So, it comes to jump them and float. Then they should full up with water and then probably lock. I don't know. Oh, that me I say. Oh yeah, I'm a Jamaica Walk By massive. So we're in a Portland town, you know what I mean? We just the right out of one of the dock them. We're the right from Bone Brook. Right out of Bone Brook with it. You see me I go and check out the vibe before we start. And think, you know, so that catch me all I'm thinking somebody has swim over this one. You see it though, see that I go up and down and think, you see it though? You think of somebody that's swimming up. But yeah, so we're there all a vibe and thing. I was gonna walk through all about Port Antonio town. all a vibe and thing. Yo, we school now go? The big up on the school, man. A Port Antonio Island out there, so. They wanna go? I mean, man, big up on the school, man. Now go on, so. The man, they run a pipe, come out so to blow out and skirt. They skilly, man. Yeah. Who built this? This look like he recently built. He's skilled like wow. Let me see how it depend. It look like so at some posts then at the ground. Mad. Alright, now go and do the thing, my teacher. Big up on yourself, hear that? Respect, no joke.
Oh, alright,
yeah. No, so I'm going to left a drink with you. I can buy one beer. Let me see if I can find some gold. Yeah, I can probably bust it up. I don't know. Big up on yourself. Hear that? You know what's on everything we show up on camera though. How you mean? So we there, just go through, you know what I mean? I like when the youths them polite, you see? So once them polite and cool, you always touch myself, we just go and bless them. You must can buy 2 beer and 2 juice and eat a food and go easy. I will leave for them. Might not much, but still can do something with them. You know, so them feel happy and just them speed. Big up to the parents, them father, mother, grandmother, everybody. Heart of love. You see me? So yeah, as we move on. So they right out of Bones Brook with the right now, and we are going to walk into the town because where me I walk from here, we are going to pass the Port Antonio High School, and I'm telling you, there's tons of development in Portland. I too was shocked to see the changes of Portland town since 3 years ago. You understand? The people them come out. I just not understand like the people them were so much mentally ill persons are so on the streets in a Portland. Like everywhere me look, me see somebody lying down on the street or such, and know that like heads of government them figure out what is going on, why so much of them up on the street and kinda see what's the problem. As me I say, but so far it's a great energy. One of my favorite town. Love it. Blessed again, family, respect. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. You see me? So no jokes, I'd say. Great fisherman over here, so go and do it as usual. Yeah, big up yourself, my teacher. Mad respect, hear that? So I got you. Our town, you know what I mean? So it's a vibe as they roll through and things. So that was a great look of vibe, great look of energy as we move through. So it's a subtle video. We don't narrate, massive me telling you, we don't narrate and tell you the history and the foundations of the town and all of them good things that we probably want to see. We just show the natural vibe, the natural ambiances, every little thing like that when it comes on to a place where we go. You understand? But just make sure say me get that out of the way. Seeing people, so we just showcase the natural everything. So like all we have the water here we are run over here, so we will show it. You see it? Yeah. And all of them good things. You see me? So we showcase good, the bad, the indifferent, everything. So for all of the persons that who don't know the place here, we are a little bit on the outskirts of Port Antonio town. See? So we are make our way into the town. So we're gonna sit back, get on a beer, get on a Guinness, dragon, anything wanna drink and for relax. Yeah. A phone time now, a movie time now, and we are going to showcase the real Jamaica. It is an extensive tour, so the video probably long. We don't know, and we don't know how long me I go walk out the town for and things. But me I go do my best to just go through as store as I can and showcase the thing right way. You see me? Yeah, believe. So that's how we are doing. So upon my left right over here, so now you have the Port Antonio High School. You don't know in the history, them tell me say, yo, it used to name Port Antonio Secondary. You see me I say? So in recent time, them change it now to Port Antonio High School. Just like Old Harbour High. Old Harbour High used to be Old Harbour Secondary, and now Old Harbour High. So I know Port Antonio High. See there? Port Antonio High School. So big up all of the alma mater them, you know what I mean? All the persons them will normally go to the school, yeah. Blessings and respect. School is still here, still striving, still going good, still going strong. Yes, it. Yeah. Me know this I must strike whole heap of memories and things, so me I go on a couple minutes of fame. You see, look good. Port Antonio High. Well, guess what me know? On the left of the school, there's a massive plaza. Honestly, I don't remember seeing this plaza there any at all a couple years ago. You see me I say? Manners. I don't remember seeing this place here. So this plaza there, you know, and me I tell you, say, it is beautiful, very, very organized plaza. So we're going to take a look over there. So the plaza is called Bayshore Plaza. See? Yeah, so who never know, no. So far, I'm telling you, there's a spot here that we eat breakfast morning time. Right now, Lexi them there up there. I'll go and get it right. And it's called, I think, I can't see the sign from here, so, but I'm going to go closer still. You see me, I'm telling you about the breakfast spot. The breakfast was excellent. You understand? You have 2 girls who work up there too. Excellent customer service too. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. I don't remember the name of the girl who made the breakfast for us, but I'm telling you, it did slap. Me did take a chicken sandwich and thing with bacon and them thing there on it. And I tell her say it was super delicious. I swear to you, I tell no lies. At 2 morning straight we came back and eat breakfast up there. So I have to endorse and blast a spot here. I don't know the owners, I don't know nobody, but we actually researched it on Google and saw it and say, yo, we're gonna check out this spot. Alright, see it there? I think it's Drewbox. Yeah, Drewbox Cafe. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Let me see if I can zoom this up a little bit. Yeah, right up beside there. Drewbox or Dreybox Cafe. Excellent. You know what I mean? So we just park down there so and take the stairs down that corner and go upstairs and check it out. Great customer service and the food was great. The price was right too. You know what I mean? We're not gonna complain. We just go and take it easy and think. Over here, so now you don't know you have a Scotia. And there's a Scotia over here and thing. And we actually support the supermarket there down there, so you understand? Fresh cup and ample parking. We never have no problem to park nowhere and thing. Whole heap of parking spot did there, so it was really good. And yeah, as I said, I didn't know about this plaza. I don't know when it dropped here, so but you can comment it in the comment section. And remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. And also right here, so now you have the Knoxford Express office. So you don't know Knoxford, big up on yourself. And to be honest, the Knoxford Express is a service in Jamaica what me really love. Me not gonna tell you no lie. Me love Knoxford Express. Because you see, even the one where them deliver packages island wide. Yeah, that is one of the greatest part of Portland for me and for delivery and them thing there. Good morning, blessed love. Yeah, so to tell you the truth, so big up Knoxford Express because them deliver island while you can deliver from Clarendon straight to Portland for a small fee on the bus, and it is actually same day. So all who never know about that and don't know about it now. So if you have a package in a Clarendon and you want to send it come to Portland, you can do that via Knoxford Express. And Knoxford Express will take the package the same day there and drop it off wherever you want to go. You see me? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Alright, so moving on, Port Antonio High and thing, and let's go into town. There's actually more of the plaza around the other side. Look good. I may say parking like crazy. So there is more and thing all about what's good. Alright, so let's go. Port Antonio town we are head to. Let me see if I can catch a sign so you can see how it going. See it there? Yeah man, that is it. So it's an extensive tour of Portland, Port Antonio town, and we're moving through. We have Rice Peas Road over there, so Rice Peas Road over there. So. See. So let's make our way into the town like this. So yeah. Sugar cane I have? Juice? You're not afraid of camera? You're not afraid of camera? One by one juice still, you know, but I do an episode on Jamaica walk by. You see me? Alright, I do an episode from Portland town. Basically showcase stuff like this and I go walk through the whole town and bake things. How you sell the cane juice then?
400 and 700 about.
400, we can see $400 one then, please.
400.
You know, have none, I don't want none of the ice. So I can drink.
No ice.
Alright.
That's a lime and ginger.
Lime and ginger.
These are beets with cane juice and ginger.
Give me that one there. Same price?
Same price.
If you just don't want one with no ice. But I want ice, you give me another one. Yeah. Alright, same $400 for this?
400.
Alright, yeah. Let me support that thing. So right, so see that. I saw it name. How you pronounce it? That JW?
JWS, sugar cane juice.
Yeah, you hear that JWS, sugar cane juice. So if you don't want to link up them brother here for the natural juice, them see it there? Right in a Port Antonio. See all the number here so too. You can call them. You see me? My fans them and all of my supporters, yeah. You don't know my style already as I walk through. When I want to drink, I drink. When I want to stop, I stop. When I want to promote, I promote. Big up my teacher, respect and manners, eh?
Yes, sir.
I do a full tour of Port Antonio town. I walk from out on the outskirt and I walk in on the in-skirt, not true?
And that's I think so.
I mean, man.
Where's the walking TV?
Walking, Jamaica walk by. We walk for miles, yeah, and the showcase a natural vibe. And just give people some advertisement to persons who never know say that place they there. Them can some support the things. So here say normally just base off on the field every day. See it there? So at least you're not gonna move. So in the video drop persons or drive past and say, walk by, make me see it, you know. I better support the thing. So see it there one more time. Right on I-10. Blessings and respect. And me go grab my juice. Only thing I beg, boss have the cock for me.
And you have to tell them how it tastes, you know. Hold on.
You know so me I go do that.
Tell them, man.
They know so on the channel me not sell no lie.
Tell them.
You understand?
No,
so
yeah, tell it though, you know.
If I like
you understand? Because I truth we are dealing with.
Yeah, so me now go around you can see it based on the colour rich and nice and thing. Me love the natural thing them, so me now pass them so easy. So I could do a taste test now. Jesus Christ, I've never tasted anyone like this. So where say put a cane juice I use now this?
Cane juice
with beetroot.
With ginger and beetroot. That's it.
I don't think I've ever had beetroot with cane juice.
Now you have it. That's why I said tell truth. So you can't change all your TV name to tell truth.
Damn. Me I expect say it would have more than the first side and the sugar and none. But them a cane we use sweet man.
A sugar cane name in
Massive, this is excellent. Are you make it?
Yeah.
Ariana, make it. Nobody left her out, you know.
No, we can't left her
Mine and she.
No,
Are your wife?
We can't left her out, but I mean you make it.
Alright, that's it. That is it. Then chain the way around the neck. How we get them?
I buy them from a Rasta.
Which Rasta that? I want to find him. I love them.
Rasta is a walk by Rasta like you do.
Oh, walk him a walk and sell?
Walk him a walk
Shoot,
and
me now
sell.
go find him then. We can get a little close up on him.
Yeah, man, he come from a city every week.
I be a them thing I'm type of weird. As I realize look up for me on the
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
A city he come
I
from.
wish I could find a brother here, man.
I don't know where you can find him, you know.
So you like how you down here every day, you know, can sell me back one of them, man.
No, we can't sell it.
Sell me back, sell me short one.
Pass through, man.
Come on, man. You're not brave, man. Them post the money right.
Just pass through me. I got
Them post it, man.
can't right.
Come,
The money can't
wifey,
right.
talk to him, no, man.
The money
Wife. Me can't find the rest. How me find the rest?
The rest would have passed through an idea to every weekend in pass through.
Massive, him not work with me, man. How me go find the rest there, you know? I'm not telling you, say one of them chain him want. I would have find him right now and bust him.
Yeah, man, you're going to find the rest.
Might be a town waiting for you.
She a foreigner. I just had to time realize that.
You take too much for the
You
camera.
go on, you know. Yeah, man, you go on, you know. Hey, you see my wife, eh? You see my wife? I mean, well, I know. I mean, and my wife do my thing, you see me?
Yeah.
You see how yesterday we up on the beach? She go, oh, me don't want to put on the camera and them today. Me say, we are my one every day. Me a showcase people that in the street today. And film me on your day. So me live on the camera with that. Yeah, I mean, and my wife do my thing, man.
Yeah, man.
You can subscribe to her thing. She named Jamaica Intent. So yes, if you want, yeah, man, I support Jamaica walk by too. Yo, if I go like him afraid for showcasing wife to the world, man.
You can't afraid for something.
Oh,
For showcase, sorry.
yeah, man, you have to showcase her, man. I feel you know.
And you see what it name? You see what the place name?
Yes, see there? JWS sugar. When me drop off sugar cane juice. Oh, you mean?
And
So see them still a drink.
And them can get it in all different flavors too, you know, man. We have it with lime and
Tell me
ginger.
something when me don't know,
We have
man.
it with lime and ginger. We have it with pine and ginger and cane juice. We have the straight cane juice you can use as sweet, and we have it with lime and ginger.
This are the only size?
No, we have the step one.
Yeah, I saw me stay here. Ah, natural and real. Ah, so these are the biggest size as
Yeah,
it
man,
come.
them are the bigger size. For the pine.
And this is 700.
Yeah.
Blouse
And
and
this are the lime
skirts and the
ginger.
lime.
You see them?
Alright, no joke. And these are the biggest size you sell.
I think now you can get in a gallon. But you have to order that.
Order that.
Yeah.
More than bad, man. That's what me do me thing with
man,
general.
every day with them.
So it's Jamaica walk by wifey. Yeah. And Jamaica Intent. Yeah. So we do Jamaica walk by right round the world. Right round the world.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And showcase me Jamaican businesses, Jamaican place, all of me things me Jamaican them a do, and all of them things. Me not left until you find all of them.
I got the Jamaica walk by, but I don't have the other one. What's the other one?
All right,
The-
Jamaica in 10. Yeah, Jamaica in 10, the number 10 at the end.
10.
Me want to walk with one juice and we come like say me a drink coffee all ice.
No, but you're not supposed to not carry one for your wife. You're
That's
supposed to carry the pine for your wife.
And that's your own plaza around there so. So guess what I go on me know where you there. So me you go say I look how more you see me tap on your foot. Me a tap on your foot now and buy 2 more buckle.
Alright.
That's how you go. Yeah, man. So you find her Jamaica in 10.
Yes.
That
it's
is-
Jamaica walk by.
Alright.
Support each other, no man.
Seal it.
We're on IG too.
Big up on the business up on Instagram. Definitely. So me I go tag you. And put on a link in the description of the video.
Alright.
Mad love, mad respect. You hear that? So art of love here. Take it easy. Respect my teacher. So big up and respect all my Jamaicans them again. We are go through nice little vibe. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. See them still having a me and you almost done still. Now watch that. Alright, that's what I drink here. So the color rich and nice. Love it. As we are move through. You see me? Yeah. We have jelly spot over here, so too. Yeah, Godfather, blessing. That is it. Yeah, man. Cane juice with beetroot and ginger. This is amazing. I've never tasted anything like this. And look how long I'm there. I don't think I've ever done cane juice with beetroot. But that one they add to the list. So massive, not everybody me I go stop at still, you know what I mean, based on how the place look or how them set up or if them look pleasant enough and them thing, then me I go stop and talk based on the first impression, you understand? And me just work with all my mind tell me. See, so me just stop right there so with that general there and them cool and him wifey there and thing. Yeah, no joke. So massive, see one of my favorite spots you know in Portaton. Me now go around Roots 21. We had dinner here so last night and me I tell you, big up to the girl we serve with. Excellent customer service too as well. Me now go around and me not tell no lie. Every time I come Portland or Port Antonio, alright, that's how we actually eat. That is it, man. Big up my teacher. One love no man. Yeah. So Roots 21, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? The food over here so excellent too. My opinion, my experience, it was super great. I had one of the best pasta over here so last night. It was crazy. I had a shrimp pasta over here so last night. I mean I tell you, 10 out of 10. One of the best tasting pasta I've had for a very long time. And massive, me not tell you no lie. Me not just a say. I scraped the hell out of the plate. It was that good, you see me? So, that's how we are doing. Me just tell you my experience as we walk going at the town and based on places when we try. You know? Yeah. Feel like the rain or drizzle, but nevertheless, we're good. So as we make our way into the town, yeah, man. Alright, so here we go on now. You see, before me even go no further, there's some persons that I want to give a special big up. Let me just pull up my phone. I'm gonna rest my juice right as so. And thing. Alright. Rest all that one right there, so. And there's some persons when I want specially big up on Jamaica Walk By. You know why? These persons are members on the channel who support Jamaica Walk By every single month with a small donation via subscribing to the channel. You see me I say? Let me show you right here now. So, yeah. So, it goes like this. So first, me have to big up Rashid Gray, Jason and Gina, Gray Mowat. Still alright. Oh, you go pull over and forward. Yeah, nobody hide from the blowout camera now. No. Watch him now, man. Alright. So, me never realize how you pull over there. So, alright, we not video. You come in. You can't stay that side. Alright. So, watch me now. Me just big up them people here straight. So, me say Gary Moy, True North, some guy from Toronto, Jaden Jackson, Mikey. You don't know Freedom Earners TV. Mad love, mad respect. Ill. Ether T, Narito, Rude Boy Studio, S. Reed, Kadeen Sterling, Damian Sutherland, and Carol Gray. Mad love, mad respect. And we just going to talk about Mirror Effect. You understand? Neville Reed, Mitzi Bird. I love it. Remember, I love it. Kangles, big up every time. You know what I mean? Ibo Walker. You understand? Mo Man, big up every time. Cross Fam, big up every time. Dave. Houston or Houston, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. Who else you have here so? And we are talking about last but not least, no, we have about 3 more names. Andre Duncan, you know what I mean? Rushan Sterling, Dwayne Edry, Stefan Shelton and Howard Nelson. Mad love, mad respect for support Jamaica Walk By straight through. You understand? Every month to make sure say on a subscription is loud. You understand? A general just pull over right now and I say, yo, him no Walk By. You know what I mean? Me not show him on the camera still cause you know the chap go. Big up yourself, me teacher. One love, no man, heart of love. You understand? Respect. From Bronx, you watch Jamaica Walk By?
Then all one day when you come and put man, they are Mount Vernon and I roll through the place. Come come on about
Cheese and pea. Art I love the man. Art I love the man. Art I love the man. Yeah. Them are here but they not see you.
Come on, no man.
You understand? Big up some people. Big up, before you go, big up somebody, man. Ta. Big up. If you have a wife, Walla Branks. Him say Walla Branks. White plate. Big up and respect. See it? Art I love. See him, they will just catch him back. You understand? Big up the whole of White Plains Road, the whole of Branks. You know what I mean? We walk them places like our yard. It was so good. What an experience. Big up to the supporter. You no joke, no doubt from way over the in New York. As he did the thing right way. Him say him no want go up on the camera too tough, but you don't know a thing go. Him there in Portland. Blessed love, respect. Good day, my church sister. You know what I mean? Yeah. Outside. Yeah. But this is what I talk about massive. You know what I mean? Enough. Easy. Why? I don't know. But yeah. As the road through. Take it easy, my boss. Yeah, man. As we are go through Portland town. Good evening, good evening. So, we walk through Portland town. So all who just a join, you don't know what they are doing the right way. The hardware to original hardware. Wait on this nice lady to go out. So massive when we reach in a town yet, you know, we just up on the outskirts. You understand? Yeah. Just on the outskirts with it. I take out time I go through to the town. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Oh, go on the teacher. Come on. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, I love down here. I tell you, the place, the vibe, the energy of the people them is amazing. And you can't take this from Portland town. Whole heap of hustlers and persons selling. Morning. Greetings. Place a neat here, man. P&G styles. Neat. So, big up to JWS Cane Juice. This bud. Machine. So see there again, a while ago, even over there, so you have 3 persons homeless sleeping over there, so on the ground and underneath the tent. You look across here, so again it's another man there, so again, I don't know, but I don't think something is right. Something is definitely going on. You see a lot of them down here. I mean, no enough person I can say the same thing, like there's a lot, bro. It's been a long time I haven't seen so much mentally ill persons on the street. Yeah, we normally think Kingston are the capital for that, to tell you the truth. But them definitely need help though. So we just reached the marina. Usually the gate here lock. Surprised to see it. Look like they open it on the weekends. You know what I mean? Yeah. How would that Mr. Isat? Big up yourself, my teacher. He's a good friend of mine, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Mr. Isat. You see it? You don't know them man, the father, a big entertainer. So you know where you go. And you know your boy a singer from back in them time there, you see it? Yeah man. I sat now actually then politics, and he's actually running for Portland. You know what I mean? You know I'm not really in the politics thing still, but everybody do them thing, you know? Them I do it. I just go and walk through people them town like I'm a yard. I try my best not to be involved in the politics part of Jamaica, none at all. I must have to tell the truth. I can't even tell when last I voted. Might sound away, but I true. I can't tell when last I vote. I just know say whoever win, we just have to go work with it same way. Me liking it or not. Sometimes people say to me, oh, your vote can make a difference. Yeah, well, I'm not going to know, you know. I just leave that part there out of my life and just go through, to tell you the truth. So, we're soon reaching at the heart of the town. Rain kind of drizzle down a little bit. See some people with some cameras and things. I wonder who them are. Film. Big up, big up. What is it? Is it a YouTube channel?
No.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By. Okay, big up. Damn. She was so not pleasant at all, boy. I've had no one then. Want to see, look what she give me. Back up her. I don't know why some of them feel like them think can make patty boy. So we are getting at the town, you know. And I'm exhausted. travel will be from me. The other day somebody asked me, is singer still in Jamaica? Yes, they are. I'm not showing one right now. So there is a singer right now in a Port Antonio town. Yep, there's a singer. So singer still in Jamaica. See where and I'm saying the marina on my left going into the town. So see the marina there. It's the marina. Thing. So, to who never know, to be honest with you, it's classified that, or it's alleged, I don't know if you say it the right way, that Portland is actually the safest place, safest town in Jamaica, Port Antonio. You understand? Yep, no joke. Them have the place known as the safest place in Jamaica, Port Antonio town. You see me? Yep. So, no joke, no doubt. That's how Portland is classified as the safest place. I know me say everywhere. And the vibe down here is just nice. Man. Men blue. Gregory. So also runners, so now you can get your Scotia ATM. And this is where the KFC is located to as well. On this side, just go across it. So as you walk through, you know what I mean? That's how we're doing it. Let's go through. Woo-wee! Don't know more time, we just try to move fast through to them copyright, because you know we can't bother with it, isn't it? Godfather. Big up again, better tell us to meet up circle again. Oh God, everything good?
Yes, I.
Is it today busy there?
Yeah, bad.
Oh, you're big, but go and do it, you hear that? Yeah, but big up yourself, man. You know, they stop, when we do some Alexi video and stop here doing a few videos for that gen come on, you know what I mean? With the writers to stand up and he could have give him stall well full out with fruits and vegetables. You see me? Yeah. Some pleasant people there, man, in a Port Antonio, man. No joke. Probably can take a look through the meat market, showing you the meat market. How much a pound for mutton? How much a pound for mutton, the teacher? No, I know me now by right, I know me teach. I respect those, see? Yo. But about this a pre-bid this a while ago, like, yo, me just ask you some more. Can't bother answer a bunch of questions, you know, what them are gonna ask me, you know. And see, me just ask, who watch a pod for me? God believe me, I couldn't bother. As I'm saying in Jamaica, you have to know a code, you see me? So I go in there a while ago, man, a beer yeah, they on me, every man look at me away. Like the youth are not come from here, so or something rare. Man, them prepare if you ask me a bunch of questions. But that's how much I pound for money, yeah, man. And you see when I say that, everybody just look away. And just be like, okay. To tell you the truth, because I kind of disguise the camera. So they now can see the camera like that. But as I say, street have code. So we turn off on this stretch now in Portland. Maybe in a post edit me show now. See, watch out. More and more. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure which street this. I see the sign, but yeah. Like we take our time. Yeah. You not get pull up. You not get pull up. Maggie, assassin. Yeah, mad. Dog a beat some agents as well. Watch your back, my friend. So it's all about a full tour of Port Antonio town in Portland, and I'm telling you, it's a great vibe, it's a great energy, nice subtle town. People just move in and out, right around, in and out, in there so out there so, all sort of thing, whole heap of work, and things are going to move too easy. So we just do our best to take the time and go through so I can really see Port Antonio town. So the juicy part is here. juicy patties there, so. Don't mix up the original with carbon copy.
High school, me have them high school. High school, get the water.
Stop talking. Hello.
So we are walking in a sequence, massive. So if you don't see me skip out somewhere, just know say I'm going back there, alright? Yeah, we're not left out nothing. We're not left out nothing out of that video. This is nice. We are built right as in a town. Beautiful. Can tell it says a Airbnb that, you know. Me. Take loads of development. Then you have this up and stuff. Well, I'm take a breather and drink some of my juice. Only for little development that go on and things. People them now play down here. One on the G right, so we don't know. Alright, we're now gonna further the direction now. Head back in the town now. And the garbage bin. So I realize the police and love round the corner here because one stop sign there, they say if you pass it and you don't stop, they run the corner for ticket you. Yeah man. Alright, here's a rubbish bin. See a sign here. Nice. Right, that's so. See, always round the corner here. If you not stop right here, so see big stop sign there. If you don't stop, you and the police them will normally they run us off a ticket you. Fat ticket. Yeah man. Alright, so we'll go down on the stretcher. So yeah, as some voice of Bob Marley go and play as we pass through them because copyright thing, I can't bother make the video too difficult for edit and all of them things there, you see me? So let's move along and thing, you see? So If you're just joining, big up and respect. Thank you so much for joining this beautiful video. You understand, there's a Sakura over there, so and you can always buy downstairs and go walk the side to go upstairs. We buy food over there too, and go upstairs and eat. You see me? You also have a PLS important too. Use the PLS. You understand? Yeah. And your JN over there, and also ATMs and things. You see me? Let's go. Port Antonio Methodist Church. I'm telling a little bit about this spot here now. Massive. Here some come buy ice cream for my family and that and thing. And remember me tell them I could go in there. I have to give them a big shout out to tell her they got you. This place was amazing. As you can see how the place set up. You see me right on the front, you can get you can sit out here and enjoy your ice cream or your kids treat and just look from Portland as the vehicle and the traffic them just pass by, just like how you see the elder there over there, so deal with it. Yeah, so for the #1 spot in a Port Antonio for ice cream and milkshake and them kind of beverages there at that spot here. Cool down. See me I say, hi my friend, big up yourself. Remember me? Alright, may I beg you pause the music a little bit so I can give the place the official top boy. Yeah. Massive, oh my word. Let me just talk about that spot here. I might have go mute it until she can get it turned down a little bit and sitting, cause we will be right back after these messages so make it alright. She get it. So massive. When we just touching a Port Antonio, my daughter said she needed ice cream, so we were searching for somewhere to get some ice cream, and we come up on this spot here in the town. See? So this spot named Cool Down. When we say cool down, it cooler right down. They do even them custom cone and cookies, all of them nice street, and I'm telling you, excellent thing. Oh my word. Big up to one general who did in here the day when time I was here, you know what I mean? That's their Instagram page right over there. So seeing Cool Down Cones on Instagram, definitely check them out. So if you're forward in a Port Antonio, this is definitely one of the spot them for the sweet tooth if you come through with your kids or your family. So you make the ice cream and thing, you can choose a topping to go on there on the comb, and trust me, they have quite a number of toppings that can be used, or you can put on your ice cream to make it even more excellent. And guess what? Them do milkshake too. You understand? Yeah. The G make one milkshake for me, them I tell you. Oh my word. And when me then I car and I drive, me I have to say, no, so me should I actually do 2 milkshake, because I don't know why me always do one of them things when time them so nice. So definitely a spot to reckon with down here in Port Antonio. Cool Down. Cool Down cone. See? Vegan, cookie and cream, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. No joke, no doubt. You see me I say? Place cool and clean and nice. Also, if you're here and you want to use the restroom, you definitely can. They have a restroom for you where you can use as a customer. You see me I say? Yeah. So my friend, big up and respect, man. Wanna be safe, nice place. I tell you, the milkshake and the cream them they just excellent, man. I tell you, we'll circle back again later on too. So I just do the episode and things, eh? One love, and keep safe to see it. I don't change, you know. That is it. Yeah, man. So, no joke. As we continue the tour of the town, beautiful. So massive, I'm telling you, all of them spot are places, because when we fall in a place like this, we try to walk out, test some of the places, them, sample food, sample all different kind of thing, and to make sure say we can, what we are talking about, we not just a talk, we are tell you exactly what go on, you see me? Yeah, man, no joke. So we over the gas station, man. So see the right across from the Texaco gas station, them there. Here's the spot. Right in the corner there, so with the lush vegetation and thing right around it. Beautiful spot. Yeah, as we move through. Just a show and nice vibe of Portland. I'm telling you, people them just move back and forth. No problem, my church sister. So you see right over there, so Portland Jerk Center restaurant. Yeah. Portland Jerk Center restaurant crosses up. Yeah. I realize that this is one of the #1 spot for persons to get food. That place, the center camera. Inside is always packed. And to tell you the truth, any restaurant or so like that way, always packed. Food was really good. Yeah, man. So clearly at that spot, the Portland Jerk Center, and that's what I see most people are buying. See, I saw a lady afforded that big box of food. Over there, so. And the variety is nice. I see I can walk going there a little bit. See I can get a little discreet video in there. So I can see. Alright, so let's move along. Make a cross if you can see that. I try to see what I'm going in Poland. Clarendon. I have a YouTube channel named Jamaica Walk By. Are we at the sell? Oh, I hear I sell this up. Big up yourself, man. Here? Don't stop. You know, not the adjunct for baby, and for you, do you know? Yeah. Come through. And for you, I feel you look a baby. And for you, I feel you look a baby. I feel you look a baby. And everything I have to show up on camera. Yeah. Big up yourself, yeah, also. And everything we show up on camera. Yeah, but we do an episode from Portland town where we just come through miss. So we just walk through and showcase the natural vibe in a Portland town. You know, just showcase every little thing. People are buy, people are sell, food places, every little thing like that. Yes, my friend? Oh, your mommy? Oh, that is it, man. Mommy out there, make sure so now get it right. Your daughter too? Share your daughter too? Yeah, go on, good man. Touch it, man. Over the side. I'm not get the video yet. Yeah. But they just go through. So we just go showcase a little food place, you know? Nice little town, nice little vibe. Jamaica Walk By. You have service?
Yeah, I get service.
Oh, Jamaica on a free Wi-Fi too? And I go on the channel at Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, help me sell? Oh, good. The channel is Jamaica Walk By. Remember, you know, I'm going to drop the video here soon. Yeah. Your brain young, you're going to remember. Jamaica Walk By, right?
Come here.
Alright, heart of love and take it easy, yeah? Jamaica Walk By. Remember me, you know? You know, maybe we have some, let me do it from, we don't do it from now. Alright, we can find it. Oh, yeah, make a young one do it. Go up on YouTube. Yeah. Oh, really? Jamaica? Jamaica Walk By. So that's the channel, so you can click. Subscribe. That's it. So mommy, see channel there. With all of my videos them and so see channel there. Jamaica walk by. Alright, thank you so much. You support the channel too, yeah? Rockstone. I just said that as I realized them actually they run a plaza round the side there. If they still there. If they still there. Cause she a drive up and down. Yeah, Alexi friend. Miss Spouse. Alexia Miss Spouse. She have a channel to call Jamaica Intent. Oh, you know how to make my channel. Yeah, man, you can make a YouTube channel now. Ceiling. That is it. Big up yourself, yeah? Be safe. One love. Here roll, you think big in a Portland. Yeah, more time we have to just stop and cool off a little bit, man, as you move through. Talk with the locals, them and everybody, you see me? Nothing wrong with that. And one thing about Portland though, place clean, yeah? Other than I think Portland have a sewage problem still, but them people are not litter street. Portland clean. Clean piece of place. And holy, I think also ladies out doing man them like about 80-20. 80% woman and 20% man. That's how we realize in Portland or Port Antonio. Big up to the lady here, we are clean too. You know, so I want to buy her a drink too. I if I have no more money can spare. Hello miss. Let's give you a little change, you know what I mean? Put you in a kitty. Big up yourself. Go and do it, yeah? One love. Yeah man, heart of love. God is great. Yeah man. Yeah. Try to walk with a little change too. I want to bless up some people. It might not much, but we just have to go through the same way and help who we can help and things. Make them feel good. You see me? Oh, can't pass the police station. This is the police station. Port Antonio police station. Love how it keep, it's beautiful. Very clean, very well maintained too. That's how I realize. Is it? Remember the ATM where it explode? Alright, yes I did that, I think. Yeah, remember good, alright. Somewhere right I said I did it. When it boom up. I don't remember how it did explode, but alright, that's all. Good evening. Right, 500. So because we did turn down that street, we just walk down this one a little bit. So you can see where I skipped out. No, mommy. These are piece here, $10 for them money. Portland Richmond, $10. Usually me no make them did it, and we take them up, you know. But that one in nice sewage water. So this is where I turn left our left. We take that turn here. So let's walk back that side here. And then we're gonna head so you can see now the market a little bit. I know the market they burned down. So yeah. So no, we're not skip out nothing. I'm a casino at the market now. Man fast boy, I'm telling you. I don't know when me I go find that chain there. The chain and the brother did have on, chain with the brother did have on, man. One back a chain like that. Don't know if I'm gonna find it. Godfather. I don't know when I go find it. Give him a look about it. Come to fire. know, so me not buy right now, but me say last time I found the market house never in burn down, so me just look back on the place and see how it look, you know. Yeah. Yeah. The last time I found that side the market house never did burn down. After that the market house did burn down. So I did look like I saw them set it up, you know. Some of us have one see. Show now what I go. One of my church sister them. Good day. Grandma. I haven't been here since it burned down. Some of us I look through, you know. Yeah, see how it's set up. So I just saw them I go set it now like these are just temporary. No. Yeah, me don't like when you get back the way you used to set. Yeah, more organized and nice. Tell you the truth. I look at thing a bill needs still, but it little. Alright. And that too in high, we don't know how it's going to work out. I don't think this can hold. To what I remembered how he place normally set. Yeah, that too again. Yeah, it's not going to hurt. Blessings and love here and be safe and guidance here. Take it easy. Yeah, I'm not sure. So from the burn down, I really first me found inside there to see how them set it. I really. Godfather. Go on. Yeah. I'm not sure if I remember how I used to look, but totally different, you know. Totally different. Yes, how I used to look. Them a lick shot, pa me name them a give ya. Say ya, them a lick shot, pa me name them.
Come on, we can check you.
Oi, Grandma.
Hello.
Greetings. Say them a lick shot, pa me name them a give ya. Long time people them used to say, sweet on the goat and go run in belly. So if you see me panic, sweet no other see. You say I will think.
Ah, it's cool, me up there.
Say I don't feel it. Alright. So pretty much that's what the market look like since it burned down, you know? Wrong way me I go. Christmas this and all that. You know, so I want to see some. Yo, you have service now?
No, I'm not on the phone dead too.
But I like you even shot me a message, man. So me can.
Next one, you have service?
Yeah, cause I see so me I try, me I use this. Yeah. So Oh, go. Portland, what you say? What you channel name? Portland
Boys.
876. And you run Portland 876?
No, I'm next stop.
Oh, shit. But if I Portland 876, I know I'm follow it already. Yeah, man. Buster Boulevard.
Yeah, always have to talk loud. I can't talk
no, because you know the camera they weird on us. And one time I promote the thing of it, when I promote the thing of it loud and clear.
Yeah, we me now.
That people are gonna say, yo, what him say? Me know you what him say. And then sometimes I watch back the video them and me nah hear. Yeah, come here and say, oh, me no hear what me say. Yeah. So I have to start practicing when me talk fluent.
So me I was battling somebody, man, a bowl. Drink rum.
Same way, my godfather. I worst thing to me when I edit a video and then I try bust me ears. Say, what me did say? Can't hear it. No, man, remember, man, Buster, you say Buster 876. Buster Boulevard. And Portland 876. I follow it already. Buster Boulevard. I see me I say it in a video, so I'm not going to forget it.
I can't forget me.
Yeah. So you don't know, we just then I G, then I told I want to reason with a G, you know what I mean? I'm not telling you, say, one thing I realize don't I do, woman, all the man them, like 80%, 80-20. Yeah, everywhere you look at, be a woman. Yes, be a woman. And clean.
Look, woman, look good.
Like how the place clean.
Everybody around.
Then me not tell you, man. I like how me hear that from a youth.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, bro. The video is nice, bro. A long time I walk through one town and feel so good.
Yeah,
I say, yeah. Oh, my drive through the city like a yard.
Yeah,
man. Yeah. Look good now, man.
Little Portland town,
yeah, no little again, boy. So, my G channel, you can follow him on Instagram. His channel is Buster Boulevard. And remember, you can follow Portland 876. And the main page of Boulevard Boys.
Right.
You see me I say? Big up to Portland 876. You understand? I'm a G that me follow the page a long time. From a long time, bro. Sometimes a man does that post or some little drone shot and me see I just go through the town. Right, bro. So me I tell you, even that local boulevard there I go down motor, you see drone shot just go and go through. Sometimes I realize say you have a video from up at the plan, upstairs there so a video go down there so.
Yeah.
You see me? No joke. So big them up. No joke. So Buster Boulevard. Big up and respect, you hear that? So, like the vibe, you go dude. Yeah. You see me? Keep it linking up, bro. Definitely.
Shout out to Buster Boulevard, you know?
Yeah, man. Me not forget, man. I see it in that video, so you know it is. I know we always have to catch ladies. Jamaica walk by, they have to walk by.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
You have to there.
His name is Buster walk by.
We have been there for youths to go overseas, brother. We don't miss.
Not at all. Guidance by car.
Yeah, bro. Buster Boulevard, big up a teacher, you see me? Oh, yeah, man. So we just walk past here, so. And we catch all I spot them, but we not skip out, yeah, stop. And down here, full with tourists. Alright. Always have to make a raise more time. You know, G them. Everybody will support Jamaica walk by a heart of love, man. Heart of love. Nice piece of video, I tell you the truth. Portland, they go on good. NCB right here. Welcome to bank in Jamaica. Be a long line, brother. Watch it. Look on the bank. People them have to line up out a door, bro. Bank in Jamaica, out a door you have to line up, brother. And you can tell say in the bank full. So that's where center camera, that's where we entered the market, see? And we go right back around to the other side. So which part did burn down, the kind of fence around and things, so we can't really access that side because it burned down. You see me? So we actually pick up now and go that side. Alright, come through the picture. Yeah. So if you go that direction, you will go to the Kenneth pier. So we are going to make a stroll over there, but I'm going to show you this side where the sea lies. See? Yeah. Let's go. So it's an extensive tour of Portland. I don't want to miss anything, because most of the persons that have been asked me to do it slow and just go through the crevice them, and not if me double up on some part because they really want to see it, so we are doing it. And it's been like 4 years since I've done a video on Portland town. You see me? Man. So let's go. See that? Let me have some of the landmarks to us. Alright. Let's go this way. Big up now, my teacher. Jamaica walk by, you see it? That is it, bro. Art. Respect, hear that? Cool now, man. See it there. Alright. So the road there, Allen Avenue, and you don't know the road that join with Folly Road. So yeah, a couple years ago this is where I started the video from. Yeah, I walk going to the town. Man, yeah, the town next to the sea, bro. Man, got it. Beautiful, man. Yeah, I love what I do because I get to experience the real Jamaica and the natural vibe, you know. And the more I do it, the more you fall in love with the people, you fall in love with the culture, and you fall in love with just being alive. You see me? Yeah, man. So here's the sanitary convenience. So this is the public restroom where you can afford and pay a little stipend, I think, and you can get to use this. Yeah. Super nice. Port Antonio town. Don't know, I don't remember so much homeless people used to down here because they got you. Alright, so on the switch I'm pull over again right at the police station. Somebody skip out like a part there. So we are doing. Bro, Port Antonio town boy. I'm not gonna tell you no lie to the town organized because the traffic flow them organize it in such a way that they don't know traffic flow one way. You're not gonna really find much traffic where one way is actually at important road. Most of the roads them are one way. I think I like one of the roads we see, like coming into the town, a two-way traffic flow. All the other roads them are one way. Like one way with two lane or so. The breeze off of the sea just amazing. The jerk right here so nice too. We get jerk chicken right here, so it was great. Piggy's jerk. Nice, you can spot this too again. Piggy's jerk. Mad. Really good jerk. So this is like on the other side of the outskirts of the town. I think we cover everywhere. So far I don't think I missed anything, to tell you the truth. If you know Portland like that, you will see that I don't miss nothing. Don't think I missed anything, to tell you the truth. I walk and I think again. I don't miss nothing. So this is where we stayed at in the town. Yeah, this is where we stayed in the town hotel, right on the outskirts of the town. So pretty much when we stayed here, you could have just walk go right down in the town, go do anything at all, to be honest with you. The stay was great. We had no problem. The stay right here so in the town wasn't a problem at all. I know one of the reasons why there wasn't any problem at all. They have some beautiful work, I understand. Yeah, the customer service here so with these workers was really good. Yeah, big up to the two ladies that make sure so we did good and thing. You know, I don't remember the name. Big up to the service. You may say? Yeah, so I end up some blast spot here in the town. Not a very big parking over there, but definitely them organize the flow of parking really nice as we go in and out and thing, you see me? And the vehicle safe, and we felt safe over there too as well. So big up to the owners and staff in the town. You understand over here, so it was a very good night, a very good stay, you see me? And then we had one of the rooms up there where we could have see the sea at night and get some nice sea breeze coming inside of the room. It was super nice, so you don't have to really use the AC at all if you open the door and just get some breeze, you see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So yeah, definitely I did a tour going that way, which is Allen Avenue and Folly Road, which is the It Strip. That's the It Strip in Port Antonio, you know what I mean? Everything I go on that strip there. I did a separate video of that, so if you see that video there, you definitely will have to look on the channel for that one. So it's all love, it's all respect. Thank you so much for watching Jamaica Walk By. That has been the tour of Port Antonio town. You see me, I say, very good vibe, very good energy. Loved every moment of it. Big up to Portland 876. You see me, I say, big up to bus stop. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, my teacher. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. We're getting a little bit of water off of the sea right now as we speak. But it's just cool and nice as we just walk here to close the video. I know it's a long video, so I thank everybody who stayed tuned and watch the entire video. All I persons them right now in the premiere section where I talk as the video go on. Yeah, big up to everybody in the chat. You understand? If you reach thus far and still watch the video, it's time for you to go below the video and drop a few comments in the comment section. And please, I am asking you to share this video to Facebook. So click the share button below the video and just share it to your Facebook page. You don't have to say anything, just share it. You don't have to type anything, just share and just press done, and that's it. You know what I mean? Please, if you want to share it to your WhatsApp status, that would be great, but I'm asking you to share it to your Facebook. And remember to like the video. You see me? Please and thank you so much. Big man thing. Sorry. And I must say, yeah, where was I? So yeah, so if you're watching right now and you look on the video and you don't see 3,000 likes, it's time for you to like the video. Come here asking for 3,000 likes on that video. Yeah. The amount of person who have been asking for this video, yeah, please share it. 3,000 likes. So if you look on the video and you don't see 3,000 likes, that means we not reach the goal yet. You need to share it some more. You understand? Big up to all of my diehard subscribers, them Jason, Gina, Cadine, Sterling, Jamaica in 10. You know what I mean? Hurricane Freestyle, Mirror Effect. Big up every time. You know what I mean? Ibo, Cross, Fam. You got so much persons there where my happy say a special big up to. You see me I say? We're always in the comment section. You see me I say? So, heart of love to everybody. You see it? No joke, no doubt. You know what I mean? I'm my carry there as I play and I can't do the post edit, so I'm going to mute it for a second as I pass. See? Alright, so yeah man, again, big up Port Antonio town. Nice vibe, nice energy. Loads of beautiful ladies, loads of beautiful people, you see me? Yeah man. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. And if you've been to Port Antonio town before, you can drop the comment in the comment section. You know what I mean? Share your experience of this town. You understand? Where you see change so far? What look the same? What don't look the same? And all of them good things there, you see me? Yeah man. That me I gotta ask if you do. So I mean now but I go so far, I go walk through here, so I hit back the main road before I close the video, you see me? So that's how we are doing. You see it? Holy Padara. No waste them so. Yeah. So we just come up to close the video, you see? So we just go and walk through the town. Yo, one thing with the town now, I see money on the ground like whoa. You understand? But when I realize, because it seems like they have a sewage problem, most persons take up their money off of the ground. But a whole heap of money, I see $10, $20, dollar. Usually I don't make them pass me, but I say something about Portland. Yeah, that is one of the things though. I think they need to really check that, the sewage situation in Portland. Because you can smell the sewage everywhere. I know, I don't think them did bargain for the town get this big. You know what I mean? Yeah, I feel so. Now, British security. So now, they never bargain for the town so big. Or expand so fast. So most I think them never put into place to accommodate this big crowd and this quick development, you see me? Yeah. So see it there? You see what we're there? And like we just go and walk through the town as the video closes. One love man. So if you're in the chat section, the premiere section right now, I just want to say big up, you see me? Yeah. I just want to say big up. Heart of love. Miss Cadine, how are you? Miss Annette. Miss Annette, where are you with? Marvin Sinclair, I know so you're there, you know. Marvin, where you deal with? I know so them the people that there in the chat section. Oh, look how me nearly close the video, I'm not go run a marina. Blouse and skirt. Alright, since me I reach so, I'm glad me remember it. So I could continue the video. I go run at the marina. Kenneth, Mr. Kenneth, marina. Me I go walk through the building up there, so. I almost forgot, bro. But a lucky thing me never close the video. So let's go by the marina. And that's the tax office. See there? I will go by the marina. I will go walk through the building because I never walk through the building. So I walk through the historical building, yeah. Go to the marina on the other side. What a vibe, man. Port Antonio town. First time for the Port Antonio was for Rising Star audition. Big up my friend Boston, Andrew Banner, big singer, revival boy. Yeah, man. Yeah, big tune, but me have to mute it, you see me? Yeah. Out of my head to say the things I've said. Bombard. Big up the garden silly, can you see? Yeah. Man, I beat some garnet, but you know me have to mute it, you see? Alright, so what I realize is that them fence up over on this side seems like they're doing some renovation work. You see me? So we just enter the marina. You know what I mean? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. I could get out there copyright. we're outside of the copyright and thing, you see me? So this is the marina. I'm gonna give you the full name of the marina, because Lexine 10 actually did a video on this place right here, the marina, which is a little history about it, how it come about and everything, on Jamaica in 10. So please look below this description of the video and subscribe to Jamaica in 10. Beautiful channel. May I tell you, if you want to know like some details thing about Jamaica, definitely the channel for you. Jamaica in 10, which is Jamaica in and the number 10, right? Yes. So this is the marina. Yeah man, I know the video lengthy, but may I tell you, it is worth it. Mad. Yeah man, over here see rich people park them vehicle, you know? Beautiful. I hope one day I can own one of them, you know what I mean? Go out there out and see, you know what I mean? Spend a couple of days out there and easy back. Yeah. I honestly don't know what is up that side. But let's walk down here a bit. Over the marina. Super beautiful. There it is. One minute, that's a Kenneth. Oh, Kenneth, right? That is it. Mad. Yeah. So we over here. Beautiful place. So you can forward with your kids. You know what I mean? You can get ice cream, you can get food over here. Bunch of goodies, bunch of everything. Yeah man. And you can just sit back, relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Cool and nice. Yeah man. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna walk to where you can get ice cream and them type of thing there and bunch of little thing. That's the police boat there. Police vessel. Yeah man, Jamaica pretty man. Very pretty. Me know say that no must I say. Sweet. I don't know what is over there. Yeah, so big up boy, big up everybody in the chat. Big up to all the people them on the premiere, all the person them watching on them TV. Mad love. All who are watch but them can't comment. Big up on yourself, same speed, you understand? Yes I. Craig, big up yourself my bro. Damien Sutherland, big up yourself teacher. You understand? Yeah. Miss Patrice, big up yourself. Yeah man, everybody in that chat section here right now, big up on yourself. So remember, if you're in the chat section, you still got to go below the video and drop a comment, alright? Remember, you still got to go below the video and drop a comment. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You understand? Emojis are still good, so you can place your emojis on based on how you feel and just drop the appropriate one. Alright? Yes, I. Mad. Beautiful. can get your ice cream and thing right here. Yeah, so that's it. Our tour of Port Antonio. Let's see how many just a walk. It's a walk. This is so nice, trust me. So beautiful. So nice. You can just park up the vehicle and come enjoy this. So big up and thank you again to everybody who watch the video and make the vibe is right. See? I hope when I run that video go to 1 million views quick and fast. Big up, much love and respect.